Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. We shall be discussing legal implications of buying a property or real estate property without a lawyer. You know, people always say that lawyers are expensive, lawyers are expensive. What's it called again? Academic or education is expensive. Try ignorant. If you say lawyers are expensive, then try without a lawyer. Because the implication that is coming, you pay ×2 of that thing you are paying. You will not even pay less, ×2 of that thing you are paying once you do it without a lawyer. People always, especially in Africa, people always like buying real estates, properties without a lawyer. It is better for you to get a lawyer, or if you cannot get a lawyer, it's not better for you to have a personal lawyer which should be paid monthly. It is cheaper. Then once you have such issue, you bring it to him to review. If you're having any agreement, you bring it to him to review. If you're buying any land, you bring it to him to review. That one will be free. But if there is any court case, you pay him. So that's how it is done. So, but it is better for you to consult a lawyer. Because if you don't consult a lawyer, there's many implications. For instance, I've seen someone that bought a land. Later, that land was fraud. So when you contact Anato, why did you not contact lawyer? Why did you not contact us during the time you were buying? Is it now you're having issues? They always say it's not expensive. 10% of what you're buying is not expensive. So lawyers can even reduce it depending on the relationship you're having with the person. So that's what matters. So I kept on saying all this. So the legal implication are two more. For instance, you may lose the property depending on the court that deciding the case and depending on your evidences. As a matter of fact, most time they lose the property. Most time, clients lose those properties that you buy without a lawyer. It's a few times that they will not lose it. So we have to make sure that before buying any real property, any property, consult a lawyer to go through it, to know if you are being defrauded. There's some protocols, there's some remedies, there are steps to take before buying real property or properties, so that you make sure it is not a fraud. There is many fraud. There is hunger in the world, not just in Africa. I've seen some people who are not from Africa who are even begging me for money. So because of that hunger, people are looking for how to survive and where to survive and what to do. So that is why it's like that. So everybody needs to be very careful if you are buying a land. I would finally still advise you to do what? To get a lawyer before you get into fraud. So I've seen someone. In fact, I don't want to mention them, but he's a police officer. For that matter, he sold to Mr. A, sold to Mr. B, sold to Mr. C. The same person. He is the owner of the land. No, that is not the owner of the land, though. That's another thing. Then you see somebody, you know that this land is not your own. You go and sell it. You forge a document. All those things are fraud. They are criminal offense. So if you look at the case of R versus Andrews, or Big versus Smith, or what is it called again? Braham versus Braham. This is a case of fraud. All these things are under fraud. So we need to be very careful when buying a land. So and we need to know that fraud, it is better for you. What is it called? Protection is better than cure. It is better for you to protect yourself at the initial stage than when you reach to that level of litigation, because it will take your time, take your money, and you may not even win the case, depending on the scenario. But especially in Nigeria, I think there's other remedies. If you buy a land that is over 500,000 naira, you can just go straight forward and report your case. Write a petition to EFCC. EFCC can take your case up. You will not spend any money apart from that EFCC. EFCC can now take over the case, will sue the person, will take the person to court. But finally, if he wins the case, if the EFCC wins the case, fine. It can be remedied. So that's it. Depending on your own destiny, some people not even know. But anything less than 500, EFCC doesn't attend to it. But if it is more than 500 and above, EFCC can take over the case because it's a big money. They can handle the case and recover your rooted money. So that's how it is done, or money that's embezzled. So thank you for listening to my YouTube channel. I say mention such as a follow icon. Please like, subscribe, and comment. God bless you.